how you can do a great DIY Arduino game, Cyclone Arcade game. Let's make it! Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, 1st of February 2022, and of course I have a new video for you. Let's start. Okay, for today's project you will need an Arduino board. You can use any kind of Arduino board that can be programmed. I'm using Arduino Uno. This is a clone, a cheap one with a USB interface. This from eBay or AliExpress maybe will cost you around $5-6, and it have, where is the pencil? Okay, this chip is WS2812b, and for making the Cyclone Arcade game, you will need first this guy. Okay, also you can do that on this guy. I have a video for this Lego Uno with 801085 chip. You can check the video in description. Okay, second thing that you need is, where is it? RGB programmable LEDs, NeoPixel LEDs. These are programmable NeoPixel LEDs, WS2812b chips, and it's a LED strip that works on 5 volts. And on the beginning of the strip you need to solder 3 wires. One of them is positive, plus, ground, and digital in. Okay, the second thing that you need is the LED strip, programmable chips, the Arduino, and the third thing is a switch, push switch. Three things, 1, 2, 3. Now let's connect everything. We have 3 wires from the LED strip. One of them is for 5 volts, positive, ground, negative, digital in. We have that on digital pin number 2. Okay, the push switch, you connect one leg on the ground, and the second wire goes to pin number 4. Okay, everything is connected. Now, where are you going? 4. We need a power source for this. A short USB cable. This is my portable power supply that gives 5 volts, 12 volts, and I have a voltage meter, ampere meter. I have a video for that, check in my channel. Also have a USB, also have a light, but in today's project I'm using for powering the Arduino. Whoa, working. Press. The game started, but it's not in circle. Let's do that. From ordinary cardboard I have made a circle, and this is made and colored from my son. Thanks for that. And we have a game. Just to set the LEDs like this. Cool. With the cardboard circle and the letters, it's more cooler. I'm gonna power up. Okay. It's working. Look, the red LED is spinning and I need to hit at that green LED or point. Let's try it. Now, one more time. Let me show you better angle. Okay, now it's better. Kill the lights. Alright. Now, once again, start. Score. Second time is faster. Yup. This is very fast. No. Take a look just how colorful is this game with these RGB programmable NeoPixel LEDs. Wow. That's okay. No. This very simple DIY project using Arduino turned out pretty cool, and it's simple to build. You need just the LED strip, a push button, and the Arduino board. That's it. The circuit diagram and the code you can download in description below. And this is great arcade game that will cost you around, I don't know, Arduino $5–6. This is dollar, and here we have around 40 programmable LEDs, NeoPixel LEDs, and I pay for 5 meters around $25 or $6. So you do the math. Okay. I hope you like today's DIY project using Arduino. Please give a like, share the video, and thanks for watching. Turn off.